Today we're here in Special Science to enroll myself. Come with me. Okay, we're finished now. We're gonna go to Glamour for my mommy's nails. Let's go! But it's a seesaw! And I tried it and it's so wobbly. I tell my mom to go to other side because there's no sun. I point her so no skin damage. And now we're here in the Glamour. I opened the door for my mom because ladies first. We're gonna go to Smiling Bee. And now we're here in Jollibee. I point this foundation box to my mom so we can help other children. Now we're gonna go home na, but my mom didn't video the food. Bye, be kind!